Welcome to a special edition of the Google Workspace Developer News. In this video, we're going to cover the Workspace platform-related announcements that were made at Google Cloud Next 2026. Let's start off with the announcement of the launch of the Google Workspace MCP server, now available in preview. The Model Context Protocol is becoming the industry standard for how LLMs connect to data and tools. By launching our own MCP server, we're providing a standardized, secure bridge between any MCP-compatible agent and the Google Workspace ecosystem. We're rolling this out in two ways. First, we're rolling out a set of dedicated MCP server APIs. These give your agents the ability to work across Gmail, Drive, Calendar Chat, and your People directory. Whether it's drafting a response, checking a calendar for a free slot, or fetching a specific file, these APIs provide the necessary hooks. But context is just as important as action. That's why we're also introducing Universal Search. This allows an agent to search across all of Workspace simultaneously. Instead of the agent having to guess where information lives, it gets a high-quality, consolidated view of a user's context across every app. You can get access to the Workspace MCP server via the Developer Preview program. The link to sign up for this program is in the description of this video. To further empower developers, an official Workspace CLI is coming soon, allowing your agents to make calls to Workspace APIs. Check out this demo that was shown at Next. In this example, we're using the new Workspace CLI to turn a simple natural language prompt into multi-app orchestration. An agent takes that request and, in literally seconds, does the heavy lifting for you. It's reaching into Calendar, Docs, and Gmail, pulling out exactly what's relevant, and dropping a complete meeting brief right into chat. We're releasing a new suite of APIs that make Google Chat apps more powerful. How will you benefit from this? Well, sometimes enterprise workflows require more bespoke and powerful functionality. Custom-built chat agents give you total control over the experience and support rich UI interactions and public interactions in group chats. Your agents can now better find information with our Search API, proactively participate in chats by subscribing to new events, and help you stay on top of your day with new APIs for pinning, custom sections, and notifications. We've also made it easier to communicate clearly by supporting Markdown, so your agents can send richly formatted, readable messages every time. We've also invested a lot in making chat agents more visual and more actionable, because text alone isn't always the best way to manage complex information. Over the last year, we've enhanced our cards framework with more rich UI components, such as new elements like carousels, dynamic dropdowns, and message actions that make agents in chat more interactive and easy to scan. We've added support to Markdown elements like code blocks and lists, and we've also done a visual refresh to make the UI feel more modern and in line with material design. We are significantly advancing our development experience by integrating Gemini directly into AppScript. Let's check out 3 ways that you will benefit from this integration. You will be able to translate your automation ideas directly into functional AppScript code using natural language. This capability allows you to generate the foundation of your script without having to manually write the first line of code yourself. With code modification, you can rapidly iterate and refine your scripts. Simply use natural language to describe the specific changes or improvements you need, and Gemini will provide inline code diffs. With Gemini in AppScript, you'll move past frustrating, cryptic console errors. Instead, you'll turn failures into one-click, context-aware resolutions directly from your execution logs. We are elevating AppScript to a Google Workspace core service starting in June 2026. This is a significant milestone that brings enterprise-grade reliability, security, and compliance standards directly to your automation layer. By transitioning to a core service, you gain several key benefits. You can depend on your critical automations and applications to remain available when you need them most, backed by our commitment to service stability. And as a reminder, your data and custom scripts are protected by the same robust security infrastructure that powers Google Workspace, providing peace of mind for your most sensitive enterprise processes. Let us know in the comment section below. Which new feature are you most interested in trying out? Also, at Next, lots of Google Workspace Studio updates were announced. Watch the interview we published to get an overview of the many new features you can look forward to.